With all the crazy incidents that happen today, it's necessary to have a dash cam in your car. Take a look at this clip for example. Now, as you might have known, the dash cam market is flooded with tons and tons of dash cams. I mean, you can go on Amazon or go to Walmart, CVS, and pick up one for like $20 to $30. But what I found is those dash cams fall apart really easily, and some of them don't even last a month. But wait, there is hope. Check out this company called Nextbase. Now, Nextbase was kind enough to send me two of their dash cams, the 522 GW and 222, and I'll be reviewing them today to show you just exactly what a quality dash cam is. Now, we'll start off with the 222. The 222 is a more budget-friendly plug-and-play dash cam from Nextbase, and at the time of this video, it retails for about $109. Now, I'll start off by saying the build quality of this dash cam for the price is incredible. You get a dash cam that is pretty solidly built that I could probably yeet across the parking lot and it probably wouldn't break. There's no rattling buttons, which is a major pet peeve of mine, because when you're driving, your engine sends off vibrations and the buttons rattle. No, not this one. Now, as I scroll through the settings and screens on this dash cam, you'll see that it is geared more towards a person who just wants a plug-and-play dash cam. Just no nonsense, just plug it in and go. It has the common screens you would typically see on any dash cam, but it also has this awesome feature called parking mode, where if the dash cam detects a hard enough force on your vehicle, it'll automatically turn on and start recording, and it will automatically lock the file as well. Speaking of locking files, a lot of times I struggle on how to lock a file on a dash cam, and this is really straightforward. All you have to do is just press the big red illuminated Nextbase logo on the front of the dash cam and it'll lock the file. Now, how genius is that? You no more hunting on how to lock a file. Now, as you may have seen already as I'm doing this voiceover before I edit the clips into the video, that it does record in 720p 60 fps, 720p 30 fps, and 1080p 30 fps. Now, this is one area where I was a little bit disappointed where it didn't have the 60 fps for the 1080p resolution, but for the price of the dash cam, I guess you can't complain. So now I'm going to insert a sample clip of what the 222 looks like, and I'm going to shut up for a few moments and let you hear what it sounds like as well. So overall, it's not bad. It's a little grainy, but you can still read license plates and street signs. And I did not edit the sound of the clip at all, so it is kind of on the quieter side. But overall, not too terrible. Now, one of my favorite things about this dash cam is the mounting system. And I saved this for last because both dash cams here use the same mounting system, which is awesome. Now, they do provide you with a permanent mounting system that will permanently stick on your windshield that uses 3M sticky tape. And they also provide you with this awesome temporary mounting system. Now, typically, suction cup mounting systems, I'll just say it, they suck. They just fall off in cold, they fall off when you hit bumps, they're downright terrible. But this suction cup mounting system is literally the best. The mount stays on at all times, and it has the charging system integrated into the mount to where all you have to do to take the dash cam off is just pull it off the mount. It's attached by a really strong magnet. Now, don't worry if you get in a wreck. I'm pretty confident that this thing is not going to fly off the mount, but it is the best. I don't know why more manufacturers don't do it this way. And now we're going to move to the 522 GW. I would describe this as the flagship from Nextbase. This is currently the best model they offer, and it retails for about $259. Now, for what you get on this dash cam, I think it's a steal. This dash cam is slightly larger than the 222, and it does have a 3-inch touchscreen. A 3-inch touchscreen on a dash cam, you might ask? Yeah, it's pretty insane to me. I've never seen that before. And it works really well too. It's really responsive, has great color, great resolution. Overall, it's really impressive. And another cool feature is that you can edit a video right on this device. That's how good the touchscreen works. Now, this dash cam is separate from other dash cams because it comes with Alexa built in and an emergency SOS system built in. Now the emergency SOS system, I'd like to compare it to almost like an OnStar. You know, General Motors OnStar, where it calls emergency services in the event that you're in an accident. This dash cam will detect if you're in an accident and automatically call emergency services if it doesn't detect any response from you within a certain period of time. It's connected to your phone via Bluetooth, and that's also how you can control Alexa. You can ask it to play music, hear the news, check the weather, control different smart home devices, get directions, different functions of the dash cam such as start and stop recording, protecting a file, which is awesome, screensavers, picture-in-picture, speed display. I mean, you can find all this information on their website. It's amazing what they've been able to do with Alexa and then incorporating it into this device. Now, along with that Bluetooth connection, you are able to transfer files to your phone through the My Nextbase app, which is a very convenient feature to have. And like I mentioned before, it also has the same mounting system as the 222, so you can literally interchange these two dash cams if you wanted to. Now, as far as build quality, this has the exact same build quality as the 222, just larger. And I would say these devices are very durable. Like, I would not have a problem leaving these in the car where it's extremely cold or extremely hot. I think these devices are going to hold up for a long time. Now, compared to the 222, this does record in better resolution at 1080p or 4K. 1080p you get 30 or 60 FPS, but in 4K you only get 30 FPS. Now here I'm going to insert a clip of what the video quality and sound quality is like, so you can have a listen.
I regret nothing. Sweet, just pinched it in there a little bit. Stops whacking me. Come on, you don't like getting whacked with the cord? No.
So as you've seen in that clip, the audio and video quality is significantly better than the 222. The license plates are more clearer, signs are more clear, the 60 FPS is a lot smoother. But I'm not dogging the 222 because it's literally $100, but you can see where it might be beneficial to spend the extra $150 on the 522. Now here's where the 522, in my opinion, trumps all other dash cams. On the side, it has what I believe is a mini HDMI port, and that mini HDMI port comes with two accessories. You can have a cabin view camera and a rear view camera. Now these cameras are sold separately. You can buy them on Nextbase.com. They're $100 each. I'll insert the clips of the footage here between the cabin and the rear view, which is crystal clear. Especially the rear view, you can easily see license plates, you can easily see signs. It's just really impressive. The only drawback I see with the rear view camera is you have to have the dash cam mounted perfectly. Otherwise, you're going to pick up your passenger's head or your head. It might be too low. You just got to be very conscious on where you mount that. Otherwise, it just works really well if you have it mounted in the correct place. Now I think that's going to do it for the review of both dash cams, but Nextbase did end up sending me a hardwire kit and some SD cards, but you can buy these accessories online. They offer a wide range of accessories between storage bags, extra mounts, like I said, the hardwire kit, and a wide range of SD cards. So I would go check them out. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.